Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I'm going to cook some eggs on my induction cooktop. We're going to throw some butter in these pans and we're going to get this going. It's a little bit easier with using the butter with the stainless steel. I feel that it fills in the gaps in the stainless steel, I guess, to release the food and the eggs a lot better. So that's kind of what I do. So let's heat this up, see what we got, and this is just a review, another review of the cooktop and how we got some eggs being cooked. All right, let's get this going. So first we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to heat up these pans. So we're only going to heat them up to about halfway, so I usually put them on about 5 or 6. So that's about 6, and we're going to heat this up to also 6 as well. Okay, so we're going to melt the butter in there. It's going to get nice and hot. It's already hot. Whoa, it's already really hot. So it gets very hot very quickly, which is great. As you saw in the other videos, it's getting very hot very quickly. So that's it. So let's throw some butter in there. We're going to melt this up. Well, first we got to whisk the eggs together, so we're going to probably just do 1 egg. I don't really feel like having more than 1 egg, so I'm going to do a small sandwich. So let's do 1 egg. Let's crack that open. Okay, we got that open right in the pan right there. Perfect. Okay. Close that up. Let's whisk this together. Okay, so we're going to whisk that together. Got some egg in there. We only got 1 egg, but it's better than nothing. So we're going to put some butter in there now and melt that up. Okay, let's get that butter all in there. Yeah. Get that butter all juicy in there. Okay, so we put a crap load of butter in there as usual. So get that going. Let's put the egg in there and cook it up. Oh, we got to put some butter in here. So we're going to just use a scrambled egg. We're just going to scramble it up real quick. Scrambled egg pretty much, yep. So we're gonna heating up the brioche bun right here in this pan with some butter. Heating that up. Let it get a little toasty brown. Alright, my eggs are pretty much done. That's it. Let's turn this off. Okay, that's off. Yep, that's all done. Okay, so my eggs are really good. Not really sticking to the pan. It's pretty good. I like the way it looks. Okay. So we're heating that up on there. This is heating up over here. Let's put it on 7. Get this thing, I want this thing, you know, burning up here. Well, not burning up, but I want it to toast up pretty nicely. So let's get that on 7. Get that toasted up, and we're going to put some cheese on that. I don't want them overcooking, so put them over there. Let's see how this looks over here. Oh, these look good. Look at that. That's good. Look at that. Nice and toasty. Put some butter on it. It's going to be real good. We're going to put the butter right on top of that. Make myself a little egg sandwich. This is just what I'm showing you just to see what you got with the cooktop. How it's cooking. Okay. That's good. That's it. We're done. Turn this off. Okay, we're done with that pan. That's it. So I made myself my little egg sandwich right here. We're going to throw this on the top. Melt the cheese right on the top right there. How we're going to have that. And you can put the plate right here. You don't got to worry about it really getting on fire or anything like that. So you just put it right there like that. Now it's melting on there. Take this paper off. Let's throw some egg on here. Alright, we got one egg that I put on there like that. Oops. So I put one egg like that on there. It's a small sandwich. I just wanted to make something really nice and tiny. So that's all. And that's all. So I made something a little bit small. So that's all. I like to put ketchup on my sandwiches, on my eggs and stuff like that. I'm just a ketchup kind of person. So I do like to put ketchup. So let's put some ketchup on here. Right from the bag. I mean, right from the, you know, little sealable container. I should have put 2 in here, yeah. Damn it. Okay, so I need 2 on there. Okay. That's it. We got myself a little sandwich right here. That's what we got. And that is it for Glen Velvet Reviews that I made of my little sandwich right here. A little egg and cheese sandwich I made for dinner. And that's it on the cooktop. So you guys can see how it works. Another review of it working and seeing what I made on it real quick. It took 2 seconds. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel and join me on my review adventures and everything else that I put on here. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Be safe. Bye-bye.